guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Linet. In case you're new here, hi, and welcome to the family. In case you have not yet subscribed, kindly do so. So in today's video, I'm going to be organizing my closet. I don't know how this will work out because it's currently 5:50 and I know the lighting will disappear. That is the natural lighting. I'm currently using the natural lighting, and I don't know if I'll be able to organize my closet. It's official, you guys. It's official. Now you know where I come from. Anyway, so I'm going to be organizing my closet, and I hope I'll take the shortest time possible. Okay, so the clothes are folded. Clothes are folded. It sounds so wrong. The clothes are okay, but the closet is not. That is like I've placed everything all over the place, and it actually makes me take a lot of time when I'm looking for the outfit that I want to wear. So the reason why I'm doing this today, not on Saturday, is because I'm not sure if Saturday I'll be there, because we have like a school project, like charity. We need to go out there and like help the people who need help. So I'm not sure if I will go, but I think I will. That's why I'm filming this today, just in case I go. Yeah, so without much further ado, let us get straight into this video. Oh my god, I don't know if you guys can see, but it's a whole mess. Okay, I had to place this set of brushes here with this bag here, because if I place them up there, where I normally place, oh my gosh, if I place them up there, like they normally fall because of how disorganized the whole closet, the entire closet is. As you can see, it's becoming darker by the minute. So let's get into this video. Let's not take much time. So this is what we're working with. We have like the names which should be on the hanger, but they are here. We have trousers, t-shirts. Okay, this, don't mind this. This is just a paper. And then we have like everything is everywhere. So like let's start this video. Okay, we are back. I was saying at least I have my products here. I know you can see well because of the lighting again, but just bear with me. So I want to start organizing the closet. So I already I've removed everything from the closet. I've removed everything from the closet. So I'm going to I'm going to arrange the clothes and arrange. I'm going to fold the clothes that are not in good condition and then place them here. The way I'm gonna do it is like this. So I'm going to be putting the clothes that I wear when I'm at home. I hope you get the clothes that I wear when I'm at home. I hope you can hear me. The clothes that I wear when I'm at home, I'll be putting them one side. The ones that I wear when I'm going outside, like somewhere fancy, if I may call it that, like to school and whatsoever, on one side. And then the clothes that I have worn just recently below. The ones which I've not worn in a while above. You're getting? So that's what I'm going to be doing. And then I'm going to show you when I am through. Meanwhile, my phone battery is running low. Apologies if again you can't see me clearly. My phone just broke, and oh my god, it looks so bad. It has broken, like seriously. If I have another phone, I'll show you. Or I'll insert a clip, maybe, if I get another phone to like take a photo of it. But meanwhile, let's arrange the closets. So guys, I have already folded some clothes over here. Some are not yet folded, but some have been folded. So those that I've already folded, I'm going to place them on the cabinet. Yeah, so let's do that as we move on. I like using a piece of cloth like on the cabinet so that I can place my clothes on top of it. So that's exactly what I'm gonna be doing. trousers that I wear when I'm at home. So I'm just going to place them over here. I don't know if I'm the only one, but I find my closet not attractive. Like not attractive if the clothes are not in the same like size. If they're folded, like they're not the same size. Oh my god, the lighting is disappointing. Okay, like the the size of the t-shirt should be the same. If it is this big, all of them should be this big. If it is this big, all of them should be this big. Similarly to the trousers, that's why I've just unfolded this one. Like if all of them are facing this side, okay, then I forget. Like if the one which I folded, the first one looks like this, like I want all of them to look like this, not others like this. I don't know if you're getting, but I'll demonstrate well when there is lighting, because oh my god, right now I can't demonstrate anything because of the lighting, the time, the battery on my phone. Like this was an even I can't speak. This was an completely unplanned video. Like okay, I had planned for it. I knew this is the video that I'm gonna do on Thursday, but again I had errands to run. I had to go to classes and school, so I couldn't do it at the right time. The thing that I had initially planned for. Again, I wanted to do it on Saturday. That's why when I came home, the first thing I did was like sit around, and then like it just hit me that what, Saturday may not be there. I don't know if I've said it in this intro or in the other one, because I have done a lot of intros and then I've ended up deleting them. Anyway, so Saturday I won't be there. We have like a charity what? We have like a school project. We're going to be going to classes and like helping the people who need help, the needy. So yeah, that's what's gonna be happening on Saturday. So just in case I didn't say it earlier, I'll say it now. So we're going to move on to the jeans. I'm going to place the jeans this side, right over here. Okay, let me just move these clothes because I've placed them here down. Right over here. Let me first take these ones out. Guys, it's currently the next day. I'm just from school actually. Let me take these ones off. Yeah, it's the next day. I yesterday finished organizing my closet late, plus I told you that there was no enough lighting, plus the ring light and stuff. So I'm going to be showing you the final result of the closet, like how I managed to organize it. I just came home. It's 5:10. It is 5:10. So let me show you how the closet looks like. So delicious. The weather outside is not joking. It's so hot. I'm having a cold soda. So let me show you how the closet looks like and then end this video because I don't think I have anything else to show. Yeah, to share. Look at my eye bags, you guys. Oh my god. Look at this. Look at this. Yesterday I slept at 3:30 and I woke up at 8 today. Oh my god, I'm so sleepy. Oh right, the closet. Guys, I managed to put some of my t-shirts over here and oh my god, this is my battery. Oh my god, it's the layers for me. Just look at that. Look at how organized that looks like. Oh my god, I'm so obsessed. And then I decided to put my jeans over here. Just look at that. Look at how organized they look. That's why I finished pretty late because I wanted everything to look so nice so that even if I want to get something from here, it's so easy. Say I want a certain type of t-shirt, you know, I can just see it from here. Some of the other t-shirts are on this corner, and then some of the other clothes that I didn't find so important, I placed them like here, the back side of the closet. This is the front side of the closet. So I have here the, what do you guys call them? Yeah, sweatpants. Okay, let me show you. Okay, so these are my sweatpants. This is what I wear when I'm at home. The jeans, I wear them when I'm going outside. I have some t-shirts and trousers over here that I didn't find like important, like I don't wear them on a regular basis, so I place them right over here. But oh my god, talk about the layers. Look at that, you guys. Oh my god, I'm so obsessed. And then I have like this kamini bag where I put some socks, like the ankle socks and stuff, and then like my, what do you call this, you guys? The head scarves. And then over here I have my denims. I find that when I button up the last denim on the closet, oh my god, I'm sorry, on the closet, I'm not sure if you can even see, they're not ironed, of course. I have a bunch of them right over here, but I find that when I button at least the one that is on top, it looks more neat. Like instead of having layers of clothes looking like the way they want, I just button the one on top. Next up is my hanger, which has my skirts. Again, I don't know if there's a method of folding skirts, but I don't think so, so I normally just place them on the hanger. The next one is the hanger that I put my dresses. So again, I normally put the most prettiest dress on top just to like give it a facelift, you know, to sum it all up. Again, this is my, what is this called? This is called a barrette or barrel. Oh, that one, I think it's a barrette. So I just placed it over there. That's how the dresses look like. And then lastly, I have the jumper that cannot be folded, as well with some other denims. Okay, so this side I placed my, okay, I have this extra hanger that has a hook, so I just hanged my mini bag over here, as well as this pouch over here. Up here I have my other clothes, and then of course my skincare and body oils, my bag for makeup brushes. So I think that is it, but I am obsessed. I'm in love. So that's it. That is it, you guys. That is it. That's how it looks like. I really like it. I love it. It's so easy to find clothes. It is so easy to find clothes, and I want to get some clothes from the closet. So easy. So that would be it from me today, guys. Let me see you in my next video. Till next time. Bye.